My personal favorite home facial, among the many home facials that I do for myself, my favorite are the ice facials. Secret out. Beep beep, there are a number of facials we can do at home, provided we know how to do them, follow the right massage lines, and also what are the best ingredients for best results. Rice water is packed with amino acids and inositol and makes for a fantastic anti-aging treatment. What we're going to do is take about 2 tablespoons of rice, soak it overnight in half a cup of water. So this has soaked for approximately about 12 hours and it's gotten nice and cloudy just as we like it. We're now going to strain the water out and put it in the fridge or in the freezer. It takes about 2 hours to freeze. Rice water is a fantastic anti-aging facial because it not only makes your skin very soft and supple, the inositol actually works in diminishing the wrinkles. So it's recommended to use this at a very regular basis. So the tomato ice facial. Tomato, as we know, is very effective in calming the skin as well as removing tan, and we're going to be combining that with honey for antibacterial properties. So we're going to take 1 medium-sized tomato, spin it in the mixie. Once the juice is ready, spin in the honey in it and freeze it. It has a freezing time of about 2 hours. Milk has been renowned in the beauty skincare in India for decades, and the reason why milk is such a great facial is because the lactic acid in the milk gives for this beautiful gentle peel to our skin. It's great for pigmentation, removing tan and lightening the scars over a period of time. For this ice facial, we are going to take the milk, add half a teaspoon of lemon juice in it and then freeze it. Milk takes the longest to freeze because of the fat in it. This is raw milk, please keep in mind. Raw milk is far more potent than boiled milk. This will take about 3 hours in the freezer. Coffee is touted as one of the best ingredient that you can use in your skincare, especially if you're dealing with puffy eyes or if you tend to have a lot of puffiness on your face. The caffeine in the coffee actually helps depuff our skin, especially the eye area, extremely well. For this ice facial, I've taken about half a cup of coffee, added 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. You could also use freshly ground coffee, that's even better. And to that, I've used half a teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin will also help hydrate the skin while we do our ice facial. This will take about 2 hours to freeze in the freezer. The ice coffee facial, it is just brilliant to depuff your skin and make it all nice and tight. So I start by putting the coffee all over my face. I want it to be nicely soaked in. Especially if you've not had a facial for a very long time, there is pooling around the eyes of the lymph fluid. So I go in pretty close to the eye area and I let the coffee nicely soak in, rubbing it along. Unfortunately, it also melts the fastest. So coffee really helps decongest your skin, and let the coffee get absorbed while it depuffs. And I'm going to wait. So I'm guessing I'm going to be waiting for 15 minutes. The ice water facial is not only anti-aging, but it also is great for removing blackheads and is packed with amino acids and proteins. So what I do with the rice facial is I get all the ice into my face first, and it's a very small cube, so I go in with it, and it takes me about a minute or 2 to rub into my skin and get all the goodness absorbed. And once I have, I give myself a good massage. Once you feel it's kind of getting sticky and dry, this is a good time to wash the face. The Milk Ice Facial is brilliant for a light peel and skin lightening. It's really good, especially if you want to have anti-aging benefits. And who doesn't want that? And you want your skin to look glowy and dewy and all those good things. It melts really fast, so it's good to go in fast with the ice cube. Once you have all the milk on your face and your skin is nice and cold, we start giving ourselves a lymphatic massage. A lymphatic massage basically helps move the lymph under your skin and depuffs your face beautifully. Along with that, it also is going to give it in circular motion. Be prepared to see your skin nice and dewy, because that's what milk does to your skin. Your skin is so soft and refreshed. The Tomato Ice Facial. This works brilliantly if you have had a tan or if your skin is feeling very inflamed and irritated. It really helps bring down the inflammation and gives your face this nice luminosity. Especially for me, since I'm prone to acne a lot, I need my skin to be super calm. More than anything, it soothes your skin a lot. Too much of inflammation, so that really helps. I've pressed in most of the tomato. I'm going to rest it for 15 minutes and then wash it off with warm water. Do give these ice facials a try. They are so transformative and calming for your skin. Especially the cold, it gives you a nice glow because now your blood is all chugging along full speed and you feel your skin coming alive. Till I catch you next time, do ice facials. The rice will help feed the face. Milk will give it a nice feel. The coffee will help depuff the face, and tomato will calm. Till I see you next. Ciao. You like it? Subscribe.